I'm originally from Adelaide. We arrived when I was a baby from Vietnam. We were in a refugee camp where my mum's still around that area in the same house. I grew up here until university. Then I went to London on a working holiday visa, and that's where I met John.
We met in a nightclub.
And then that's the end of the story. There we stayed for 25 years.
When we got married, we came up with a plan that we wanted to work in the UK for a while, build up a nest egg, and then relocate to Australia. I think to relocate halfway around the world when I have no idea what it's like to live in Australia, there's a huge risk.
While we always thought we'd go back to Australia when we had a family, I actually found it very, very difficult because I'd spent 20 years in London, and when you live in a place for so long, it's really difficult to make that huge leap because that's like the final leap.
What are you after?
We need it to be in a good area for schools. Minimum 3 bedrooms, 4 ideally, now that you're working from home. Minimum 2 bathrooms would be great. Sharing with 3 boys is not amazing.
Yeah, I think it was fine.
Yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. I would like really nice open plan kitchen so that I can keep an eye on the kids at all times.
Give me an idea of features we're looking for.
Something with a bit of character, a bit of history. The house has a story to tell.
Are you two on the same page when it comes to what you're after?
So I do lean towards the more modern side of things. I'm not too keen on more old-fashioned houses. Outside of that, got to have a swimming pool. And the other thing is we want what we call a wolf cave.
We want?
Yeah, we want sort of like a man cave for a man and 2 boys to fill with toys.
Are we after a big lush garden for the kids to run around in?
Yes, yeah.
But I'm just mindful of spiders and snakes, so something that wouldn't attract creepy crawlies.
How much do we have to spend?
Well, we sold our house in the UK. We sold up all our investments, so we've got a really good nest egg, and we could definitely stretch to 2 mil. And for the right house, we could probably even go beyond that.
I think 2 mil would be our upper limit. I think ideally I'd prefer to go below that.
They may have to compromise somewhere to get the main items on their wish list, but I'm going to try and find a blend of both and see what's more important to them. OK, we're about to head out to the eastern suburbs of Adelaide. A lot of families move here for the schools and within walking distance to cafes and parks.
Great.
We are now pulling into St. Peter's. This house, I would consider this a good compromise between a character home and something a little more modern because it has been significantly updated.
I like the sound of that.
It's about 10 minutes from the city here. It'd be about 25 minutes to the beach. Now, this is a 1920s bungalow, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms.
Great.
And there is potentially a space for a man cave, but not a separate man cave, Johnny.
OK, well, we can take a look.
But the other good news about this house, the price, right on the mark at $2 million.
Oh, OK.
Good.
So through this lovely front door.
Oh, wow.
Look at that ceiling rose and the chandelier.
I like the high ceilings.
Stained glass window.
Stained glass
Nice
window.
features.
Yeah.
Come into the main bedroom.
Oh, it's a good size.
The size is OK. I think I'd have liked something a little bit bigger.
The great news is the main bedroom does have its own ensuite.
Oh, it's nice and bright. Perfect for me. You're not using this one, are you? I have had to share with the boys. It's not nice, and I'm hoping that the place that we find will actually have my own bathroom.
Come take a look at the main bathroom. Modern enough for you, John?
Yeah, definitely modern. You wouldn't need to do anything.
I've got my own bathroom, but this is a good size for you 3.
Yeah, no chance. Sorry, you're stuck with me. That's...
Let's go take a look at the boys' bedrooms.
Cool.
All of these 3 bedrooms are a similar size and they have built-in wardrobes as well.
Oh, it's a really good size. It's got room for a desk.
Yes.
Yep.
Now, Johnny, I'm going to show you what potentially could be the man cave.
OK. Yeah, I guess. I mean, you can't shut it off from the rest of the house, so that's a little disappointing.
Let's take a look at the kitchen.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
It's nice.
Open plan. Sold, John. Sold.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I can see the garden, the pool,
You can keep your eye on the kids wherever they might be. Come and take a look outside.
Oh, wow.
The pool is a decent size. You could probably do laps there. Easy to manage. It would take you 5 minutes to mow the lawn, but like the rest of the house, it's on the small side.
It ticks all the boxes, really.
I don't know, I disagree. The wolf cave doesn't really deliver. I'd rather spend a little bit more to get exactly what we want.
So we're coming into Hazelwood Park now, about 25 minutes from the city. It's a very established neighbourhood. There's a mix of old and new houses, and the one that we are going to see is only 3 years old, so it's a very modern build.
Yep, I'm looking forward to it. Here we go. Oh, wow. God, look at that.
This is a really stunning contemporary Australian-style home. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
How much are we looking at?
It's a little more expensive. We're looking at $2.5 million for this one.
We can stretch to it, we could definitely do it. Over the years, we've been really frugal to build a big nest egg that we could come over to Australia and buy the house of our dreams.
We can have a look and see.
Sounds good.
You are going to love this place.
Oh,
Have
wow.
Oh, wow.
Isn't this
Amazing.
incredible?
Look at that kitchen. Look how open plan it is. I could just see the kids everywhere.
Look at that, isn't that cool? Feels like it's a room within a room sort of thing.
There are 3 kids' bedrooms. All of them are exactly the same size.
Oh, it's a lovely size, isn't it?
Beautiful.
It's really good.
Come and take a look at the bathroom.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful.
I love a good bathroom.
You are going to love this room.
Oh my God, the kids are gonna love it.
Huge. I love this place. That was before I even saw this.
Okay, now come over here. Take a look up there.
Oh,
That is the
Wow.
main bedroom.
oh wow.
Wow.
I didn't even realise it was 2 stories.
This is the only staircase in the house.
Oh, wow.
It's really very special.
Okay, come and take a look at the walk-in robe and the main bathroom. Double sinks,
Love it
a
already.
huge shower.
Want my own sink.
Yeah, I mean, isn't that amazing?
Okay, come outside so you can get a really good view of this garden and swimming pool area.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Stunning.
I mean, not only has it got a swimming pool, it's got a very good swimming pool. Honestly, I don't think we're going to see a house that will be better than this house.
Johnny wants to buy his dream house. He doesn't care what it costs. Tiana's a little more reserved. She wants to stick to their price. We are now pulling into Beulah Park, where we have our lovely Queen Anne Villa. It's a leafy green suburb. There's going to be a lot of families, but you're still only about 20 minutes from the city. Here we are.
Wow. Look at all that character.
Well, it's certainly old.
Let's go take a look. So they call this a Queen Anne Villa, heritage listed. You can't knock them down. They are quite valuable. The house was built in 1910. Currently, there are 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but there are 2 studies. The good news, it comes in at 1.8 million.
Which, because it's old, we'd probably have to spend some money doing it up, I bet.
It's like been around for 100 years. It could last 100 more. You know, those houses in those days are built really well.
Let's go take a look inside.
Let's have a look.
Great.
Love it already.
Oh, wow. Big
Oh, wow.
ceilings.
Wow, look at all the cornicing.
There are a lot of traditional elements to this home. Why don't we go and have a look
Yeah,
at the first
definitely.
bedroom? This is the main bedroom through here.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful. I'm just drawn to the ceiling. I love it. Look at all the detail. It's like stunning.
When I look at that, I think that requires a lot of maintenance to preserve, so it comes at a cost.
Why don't we go and have a look at these rooms that could easily be changed into bedrooms?
The house is just got all this character. Oh, wow, it's another good sized room. The original house itself, like from 100 years, it's just really exciting.
It would feel a bit like living in a museum, though, don't you
I
think?
think with the furniture they have, but we'd have our own stuff.
Okay, come take a look at the bathroom.
Great. I do not like this house. I think it's fairly obvious.
Look at the size of this bathroom.
It's got character, but it feels a bit run down, and there's probably lots of nooks and crannies that would hide spiders. You need to, like, rip it all out and start again.
It's under our price range, so we've got money to spare to spend on doing it up.
Here's one of the bedrooms. They're a little smaller than the bedrooms downstairs, but they all have built-in robes.
quirky, isn't it?
And they also have their own bathroom.
Yeah, this is about
Yeah.
the size of our bathroom in London.
Like, those rooms feel a little bit cramped.
All right, come take a look at the kitchen, living, dining with these gorgeous windows.
Oh, wow.
This is more of a modern extension.
This is more like it.
It's, yeah, really different to the other part of the house.
You know, this would be where we would spend sort of 90% of our time. Oh, I love it.
The open plan was really lovely. I liked all of the windows that just stretch out to 90 degrees, 270 degrees. No? 90?
Did you say
Almost
180?
180. That is really good, that I can keep an eye on the boys at all times.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
This is a really good space.
Oh, it's huge.
Come through to the man cave. Go take a look, Johnny.
Oh, wow. That's fantastic. Oh, and it's double story. I've got to check it out upstairs. Look at this. Oh, very cool. I mean, this has definitely changed my mind about the entire property.
Tiana, what are your overall impressions of the house?
Oh, I love it. It's got a great space, all the period features.
Oh, very
and
cool.
It's within our
Yeah.
price range.
The question is the maintenance of those sort of older features. There's definitely a degree of friction on some of our must-have items, but then when it comes to style, it is very difficult for it to be both modern and also have some old features.
For Tiana and Johnny, the adventure of moving back to Tiana's hometown of Adelaide will be complete when they move out of her mom's house.
Oh! When it comes to our dream house, it's going to be really difficult for us to meet in the middle on some of the things that we want.
What are we going to do?
Well, let's start with the traditional modern bungalow.
It's got all of the character that I want, but also modern, so that it's not like too old-fashioned for you.
Yeah, it's nice.
It was right on our price range.
The pool is fantastic, but there's not really a wolf cave. The pro is its open plan. The negative is this open plan. What did you think of the contemporary house?
It didn't have all the original characteristics that I'd like, but it had that kitchen.
The fact that it had a great wolf cave. I love this place. That was before I even saw this.
Yes, amazing house, but not such an amazing price.
What do you think about the traditional house?
I know you didn't really like the beginning bit, like at the front of the house.
It would feel a bit like living in a museum. I didn't like the bedrooms, thought they were fairly small.
But do you remember the back of the house?
Yeah. Oh, wow, very cool.
It comes in at a lot less than what we wanted to spend as well.
I think we'd need to modernise every room in the house. And I think actually that could cost quite a lot of money. And if we're going to spend that much money, I'd want something that delivers a little bit more.
Right.
For me, my least favourite house is that traditional house.
Yeah.
I'd like to rule it out.
Okay.
Cheers.
One down,
One
two
down,
to
two to go. The traditional modern bungalow.
It's a really good manageable size.
Yeah, it was really nice and it was bang on the money. However, no dream wolf cave here.
Maybe not for you, but it had a good open plan area, so I quite like that.
For me, the contemporary house is the dream house.
2.5 million, that's quite a lot more than what we wanted to spend.
It's
and then
nothing, really.
it's too modern.
I do concede you perhaps lose out on it being cosy. It's perhaps not
not
really
quite us,
is
No.
it? It's not our style.
I just want to check that we've made a decision.
I could see myself living in that house.
Let's just wait to what the kids think.
I'm sure the kids will love it.
It's got a pool. That's all they wanted.
It's got a pool, yeah.
Who's winning? Have you thrashed Daddy yet?
Yes! High five, Charlie, we got a goal! Woo! We love Adelaide, it's amazing.
Hi!
Come in! Hey, guys!
Thank you!
I think maybe we're still in the honeymoon period.
Well, you're glad that you're out of Mum's house.
Yes, we're glad we're out of the mother-in-law's house.
Yummy. Do you want noodles as well? I'm really glad that I'm close to my family, and it's just so nice to actually have a home again.
It'd be great when our stuff arrives. The walls still look a little bit bare.
94. Beat me.
We have bought a bunk bed though, and that was one of the things that they've always wanted.